What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. And this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix if CarPlay is not working on your iPhone and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what I'm trying to do is you have to do one simple step that's definitely going to work for most of you guys. What you need to do is you have to tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down to the general, and from here you have to keep scrolling down and navigate to transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on this, go to the reset. Now from here there is an option called reset network settings. Just do it and you don't have to worry whether that's going to delete your data or something. What it's going to do is it's just going to reset the network settings, so you have to connect back to the Wi-Fi once again because the saved password will be gone and all those kind of things will be happening. It's not going to affect any of your data or any other things. So just tap on the reset network settings. From here give the passcode and you have to try with it, and that's going to help. So this is the first step. Next one is all about you have to try turning on the airplane mode. So to do so you have to go to the control center here and try turning on the airplane mode and just wait for a couple of minutes. Like I said, 1 minute, and then you have to turn off this and you have to check with it, and that can help you guys out as well. Next one, sometimes the reason might be with the VPN. So go to the settings over here. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the general. From here you have to scroll it down all the way down and tap on the VPN and device management. So if you're connected to any VPN, that is the reason. So try turning or disconnecting the VPN that is already connected, and you just need to go back. Right, you can just go back, and from here try tapping on the Bluetooth. Over here as you can see, these are the devices that were recently connected. From here you have to select the Bluetooth connection that you're connected to your car. So for me it is my Celtos here, so I need to tap on the eye icon over here, and right now I need to go for forget this device and just go for forget device, so it will be just completely gone. Now you have to connect back once again and you have to check. Lastly, what you need to do is just need to go back and navigate to the accessibility. From here you have to scroll it down all the way down over here, and there is something called vocal shortcuts. You have to tap on it and make sure that you have to turn off this as well. Right, so you can try this out, and these are the steps when it comes to how to fix it. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it, bye.